Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your WhatsApp account is logged in on another device. Let's jump right in. If another device is connected, that device can see messages, photos, and videos from your account. So if you ever feel like someone might have accessed your account, this is the first thing you should check. Open WhatsApp and make sure you are on the main screen. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Once the settings page opens, you'll see several options related to your account. Here you need to find and tap on linked devices. As soon as you open it, WhatsApp will show you a list of all the devices that are currently connected to your account. These could be laptops, desktops, tablets, or other browsers where WhatsApp web was used. You'll also be able to see details like the device type and the last time it was active. Take a moment to review the list. If you recognize the devices, then everything is fine. But if you see something unfamiliar, it's a good idea to remove it immediately. To log out a device, simply tap on the device name. A page will open showing more information about that session. From here, tap Log Out, and then confirm by tapping Log Out again. Once you do that, that device will instantly lose access to your WhatsApp account. Now, if you're using Android, the process is slightly different but still very easy. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. Just like on iPhone, you'll see all the devices connected to your account, and you can tap any of them to log out. And that's how you can check if your WhatsApp account is logged in on another device and remove it if needed. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.